Hi, I'm Joan Lok. I'll be teaching a workshop on how to paint the cotton rose hibiscus bouillon in our next workshop. In this workshop, we will talk about the structure of the flower, the petals arrangement, the different form of the leaf shape. We'll also paint it in two different ways. The first one will be in the outline style. So we'll practice what we learned on the structure of the flower, petal arrangement, and also the leaf shape. And then we'll advance to painting it freehand in the Ningnan style. This flower, cotton rose hibiscus, resembles the look of a rose, but it's not a rose. And it does have a lot of feature that look like a peony, but it's also not a peony. Fuyong is a very well-loved flower in China. As a matter of fact, there are lots of literature and poems that represent the beautiful face of a maiden compared to the beauty of this flower. So just in time for Valentine's Day, let's paint Fuyong, the cotton rose hibiscus, in our workshop. I hope to see you. Bye-bye.